Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm a crypto man, the owner of this channel, Ben Ahmed Crypto Update. So in this video, I will going to introduce you STON.fi exchange, STON.fi decentralized exchange. I am proudly to tell you I'm officially now STON.fi ambassador. So in this video, I will going to short explain or brief introduce about STON.fi. So STON.fi is a decentralized exchange. A DEX is a DEX built natively on STON blockchain. That is our home. In STON.fi, you can swap token like STON USDT and other tokens. All tokens on STON blockchain, you can swap it. So it's a decentralized exchange. Fast, it's a very fast and low transaction. Like STON blockchain, like STON blockchain. You know, STON blockchain is low cost for transactions. It's low pace on transaction. So while STON.fi is low pace, it is fully integrated in Telegram. You can use STON.fi in Telegram, many apps. So that is it. Subscribe my channel if you are new here. If you are not new here, just waiting me to start seeing. You can start seeing a lot of videos in this channel about STON.fi, how to use it, how to position yourself on STON.fi, how to earn on your in STON.fi. A lot of videos coming soon about STON.fi. Just waiting. Like I told you, I'm officially now STON.fi ambassador. So thank you everyone for listening to me. See me in the next video.